Hi, this is we have reached almost the final conclusion part, where we have understood the Revit in from the scratch to the pro level. I would say if you want to recap the highlights, what we have learned is like we have understood the core tools and the interface, and we understood the creation of the families and creation of the components, and then we understood the what are the annotation parts and how it gonna works. So then definitely we understood the creating the sheets and how do we export to the as the sheets, and how to print that. And of course if I want to say I'm proudly say we have we both progress with together, and we learn from the scratch. My suggestion always you explore the new projects. You take the simple examples and you more practice in collaborate all the steps together, build one simple projects. Start with small one projects, maybe of I would say 1 bhk, then 2 bhk, then go for the villas projects, then go for the apartments. You started from the scratch, from the small, and you go up, and you create the big structures. And you'll understand most definitely Revit has much potential in compared to other software which we use for the engineering drawings or maybe the architecture drawings. So I definitely encourage always used to say do best, go high. Always say keep building and have a great future ahead. I definitely wish all the success for your endeavors in the future. And always keep tracking, keep work, and stay consistency. Definitely not one day, and not immediately, might be some other day. Definitely the the what you wish definitely revert back to you. So yes, I'm just finally logging off this the training session for the Revit, and definitely seek your feedback. I take this as a positively. I improve myself, and I'll do best in the upcoming in the I mean the sessions in the upcoming courses. Definitely I'll improve myself, I would like to say. And finally, big thanks, and signing off. So all the best for you all. Thank you.